So this is a 1,000 square meter plot of land with a sea of right here at Oshimiri Private Estate. Oshimiri Private Estate is just off Enugu-Onitsha Express. Like you can see across the estate there, that is Golf Estate. So it's kind of behind Golf Estate. See, that's Golf Estate. You can see the golf course right there. That's the golf course there. As you can see, there's a little stream behind here, and that's why you can see there was reinforcement on this wall. This wall was properly reinforced. Serious reinforcement. Fenced and gated. Your neighbors are also very fine houses beside. It's a 1,000 square meter. This estate has 24/7 power and water. It has steady power supply and it has water. And like I just showed you, just behind there also is a little stream. It's a seasonal stream. Of course, the place has been reinforced. The 1,000 square meters is going to be sold together. You can see the COV is available. You can also request for the survey plan and we'll get to show you. You can see beautiful piece of property with buildings everywhere. The roads are tarred. This property is actually at the end of the street. That's another property there someone is about to buy. You can see it's a tarred road. It's a very private, beautiful estate. On our way out, we're going to show you what the environment, the road out of here looks like. Oshimiri Estate is a beautiful place. This property is going for just 50 million naira actually. 50 million naira can be used to build your mansion, your duplex. See the kind of houses around here. Very beautiful house, you know. In Oshimiri is a private estate. It's a very beautiful private estate. See the environment. You can see it has a gate. It has two gates actually. The first and second gate. On our way out, I'm going to show you. You see the environment, very neat, very beautiful. Good roads. The roads are very tarred. There's drainages. Good survey plan. The space is at the estate is going for just 50 million naira. So that is the property there. That black gate. That's the property we are driving out right now. I want to show you what it looks like from there to the road. Let me show you a little bit of what the estate looks like actually. So that's the place. This is the environment. This is another building coming up here. This is a residential house, a beautiful house actually, right there. So this is the estate. It's a private mini estate. Beautiful. It has a park. It has a park. You can see. So this is the park. You can just come hang out and sit out here if you like. If you have an event, of course, for the owners of the residents here. So this is Oshimiri Estate, Oshimiri Private Estate. It's a beautiful estate actually. You can see the park. You can see the park. A beautiful house down there. This is the entrance into the estate. This is the entrance. You can see it's a fine mini estate. Beautiful flowers. Power, water in this estate. That's 1,000 square meters at 50 million naira. There's a police station there. You can see the police station there. You know, Oshimiri Private Estate. You know, and see the road to the express. Beautiful place. Oshimiri is a beautiful estate. Look at that. And there, that is the estate. This is the express. You can see this is Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Yes, I am Jeff Anozie and I'm your real estate consultant based right here in Enugu, but we cover properties in Owerri, Oka, abakaliki and Enugu right here. So if you're looking for a property, please send a message to that number right there or call us on 0809-673-7668 and definitely we will hook you up with your best budget. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can see more of it. And if you're looking for if you want us to create a video for any other place in Enugu, please let us know in the comment section. I will sure try to make that work. Till then, enjoy a fantastic day and bye for now.